Thomas and Friends Minis. Ready, Set, Build has so much to see and do. Build your dream train set from scratch or follow one of many blueprints. Then flip, spin, loop, crash and ride through your creation and watch it come to life. Thomas and Friends Minis. Are you ready? Set, build! The engines are looking forward to seeing what you can create. Keep holding the button to destroy this train set and start over. Ready, set, build!
Disney Frozen Royal Castle.
Simply choose a terrain by tapping on it. Then you can paint your train set directly with your finger. Wonderful! The green shelf is where the basic tracks are stored. Here you will find bridges, tunnels, obstacles, and lots of other fun things.
It's Bluey! Let's play! Bring the
Splendid! In the orange shelf, you'll find all sorts of buildings, trees, and other decorations.
It's time to use your mighty power, copycat.
This is the engine shelf. Classic Thomas. You found a golden gear. Aquatic Thomas. Clear the tracks. Engine coming. If you'd like to stop to look around, pull the big handle. Construction Thomas. Aquatic Thomas. Spooky Thomas. The engines love that sound. There are no more engines on the track. You can pick a new one from the blue shelf. Classic Thomas. Construction Thomas. Spooky Thomas.
Welcome to the magical land of
Spooky Thomas. Construction Thomas. Stop. Classic Thomas. There are no more engines on the track. Aquatic Thomas. Construction Thomas. Classic Thomas.
Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited Monster Truck Tiger Show.
Construction Thomas. Spooky Thomas. Classic Thomas. Construction Thomas. There are no more engines on the track. Spooky Thomas. Aquatic Thomas. Classic Thomas. There are no more engines on the track.
Let's roll with Thomas and Friends Magical Tracks. Currently exciting mini games with me and friends Percy.